Hey everybody, welcome. I took a little impromptu poll on my Facebook page and asked if folks wanted to see an unboxing for this game, The Captain is Dead, by the Gamecrafters, and it was a unanimous yes. So we'll go ahead and crack this open and see what's inside. One quick note before we get started. I was late to the party on this. So I was not in time for the Kickstarter, so there shouldn't be any kind of stretch goals or pre-order goodies in this box. So what you're about to see should be what you would receive were you to order this just regular off the publisher's website. So let's get started. Alright, there goes the shrink. The box seems a little thin, but sturdy enough. And we've got items wrapped up in what appears to be brown paper for shipping, I guess. What do we got in here? Aha. We have our cards in Ziploc baggies. Let's check these out. Okay, these are the alert cards. Some battle plans. More alert cards. Oh, here's a character card. The first officer. Pretty standard card stock. I'm aware that the Gamecrafter really doesn't do premium style components, so I wasn't expecting a whole lot. But yeah, these are decent. I think I'm going to go ahead and sleeve them though. What we got here? Oh, okay. These are the little, I can't remember what they're called. They're the system cards that show the status of your various systems. Same card stock, same quality as the larger cards. Here's our little torpedoes, and I imagine these are the status bars. What do we got here? Okay. These are the little, okay, plastic stands. Well, okay. I was kind of hoping I would get the wooden pawns with my copy, but I guess that must have been a stretch goal. They're all blank, so looks like I'll be putting some stickers on there. Whoa, these just slipped out. Okay, these are our stickers for our little plastic pawns. Here is the rule book. Oh boy, very colorful. Looks fairly brief compared to what I'm used to. For those of you watching this that may not be familiar with my other videos, I generally do war games. So this is a bit of a departure for me. Okay, well, that's about it for the rule book. Looks pretty brief. What do we got here? Not counting the stickers. Let's see. We got, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and a half pages of rules, but lots of illustrations, large printing. So yeah, this is pretty brief. Okay, and this must be the game board. Let's check it out. Okay, there it is. That's our ship. Okay, nice mounted board. It's wrapped. The board actually is pretty good quality, I'd say. Yeah, very attractive board. Okay, great. Well, that is our unboxing of The Captain is Dead. Looks like I've got some stickers to put on, some rules to read. I'm looking forward to playing this and doing up a review for you. We'll see you next time. Happy gaming.